3,51,937 cases were reported in 2020.
Like kindness, honesty, etc. It is very unfortunate that we have lack knowledge about
the agriculture sector will declining day by day. Due to this,
at the time of farewell, at that time, what parents should do? They should suicide themselves or respected teacher and my all dear friends, good morning to all of you.
Good morning.
Today I am going to speak before you on the topic dowry system. Dowry system is an unbearable, uncomparable disease in our society. We saw lots of cases about dowry system. A person who works hard for his family and after some time he wants that his daughter or sister should go in good hands or should get married with good person, where his daughter or sister will stay her whole life with peacefully with her husband, mother-in-law, father-in-law, brother-in-law, sister-in-law, etc. We have seen and we are watching that some people in our society are really illiterate and totally bad by the mind because they think always if they will take something in case of they will return something to someone. But some people never think if our parents have no large money to give at the time of farewell, at that time what parents should do? They should suicide themselves or they should kill their daughter or sister. We have read daily lots of cases on newspaper and television, but we never apologize what we have done that was right or wrong.
Hello everyone, I am Ronak. There are many bad habits, problems of Indians. One of them is cybercrime. Cybercrime is common problem of India, and cybercrime is not only in India but also in all over world. Cybercrime may harm someone's security and finance. The ICC, Internet Crime Complaint Center, 3,51,937 cases were reported in 2020. We know very well it's really difficult to catch cyber criminals because they hack your account one place to another place. Most of the people in India who are illiterate, they don't know how to protect themselves from cyber criminals. Cybercrime is increasing day by day. Nowadays, it has become a new fashion to earn money with fraud calls and messages. So we have to aware from cyber criminals. And the IT Act was passed by Mr. Pramod Mahajan and from against cyber criminals. And the Act is 2000 section 65 to 71. And by all means, I would like to say that please do not share your personal details to someone like your card number, your CVV and your validated etc. And I want to say one slogan that always be aware, connect to the internet with care. Thank you for listening to me.
good morning to all of you.
Good morning.
My name is Nikhil and I am here to deliver the speech on the topic agriculture declination due to modernization. So first of all, we should know about the meaning of modernization. It is the process of improving something towards the initial state to the advanced or futuristic state. In this, we had that reducing of risk, productivity, efficiency, and much more. It is a continuous and open-ended process. In this concept of modernization, it comes from the Europe in 20th century, and we talk about positive approach of modernization. It is more convenient to live in a world where we have access to many goods and services so that we can make our life comfort and happy and have more fun. But modernization also help us to peoples overcome who are oppressed in traditional societies and women empowerment and many more things. So we talk about agriculture declination. So in India, economic sector are divided in three parts: primary sector, secondary sector, tertiary sector. In primary sector, most of the agriculture activities are come. So due to modernization, more of Indians are going to private sector, industrial sector and service sector. That's why the manpower in the agriculture sector will declining day by day. Due to this, more of MNCs and industries making profit from agriculture sectors, like making money to selling goods which are at very high price, so that farmers can't afford it, and don't make their money so that they can live. And due to this, farmer taking suicides and many more such ridiculous things due to their financial problems. So in Indian government has approved a policy named Parampragat Krishi Vikas Yojana in 2015, so that they can help farmers by the helping financial issues and solving them. That's all about my topic. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you.
Good morning.
Today I am going to speak before you on the topic Indian people moving away from Indian culture.
Thank you.
As we all know that Indian people moving away from Indian culture. Indian culture is a very oldest culture among all the others. Indian culture have a strong custom, duty, beliefs and so on. But we Indians forget our Indian culture, customs, duties, beliefs and westernization taken its place. Western culture is negotiably increasing and soon it will be reaches in other places of India. Joint family culture is also declining day by day due to westernization and nuclear family taken its place. As we all know that Indian culture teaches us that each and every moment celebrate together, whether it is happiness and any grief. But we Indians blindly following the Western culture without knowing their consequences. We just became cool and modern. Hence, we are forgetting our Indian culture. There is nothing wrong about knowing and to learn about the Western culture. But blindly following the Western culture is very dangerous for us. Take good things from Western culture like independent, innovative ideas, hard working, etc. In fact, it has been noticed that they adopt our Indian culture good things like kindness, honesty, etc. It is very unfortunate that we have lack knowledge about the Indian culture. We proud on our inherited culture and good culture. We proceed the knowledge in next generation about our culture. That's all about my topic. Thank you.